Congratulations on purchasing a new truMedic MC-1000 massage chair. I'm James, and I'm here to show you how to put together your new chair. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and 15 minutes. The MC-1000 comes in 2 boxes. Once you have everything unpacked, it should look something like this. The first thing you need to do is attach the padding for the backrest. Attach the top zipper. Then attach the zippers on each side. It's time to put on the arms, but first, we need to remove the 4 screws in the seat of the chair. Now we're ready to install the arms. When putting the arm on, be sure to line up the hole on the arm with the metal post coming out of the chair. Lower it down to line it up with the screw holes. Reattach the screws. Next, plug in the wiring harness. Then, attach the air hoses, which are color-coded. We'll worry about the green and beige air hoses later. Repeat the same process for the other arm. The wire harness powers the LED lights on the sides of the armrests. The black and blue air hoses pump air in and out of the arm massagers. Next is time to attach the seat. When attaching the seat, make sure the 2 air hoses are towards the back of the chair. And connect the final 2 hoses. Pull back the Velcro on top of the footrest and then put the seat cushion down. It's time to attach the headrest using the attached Velcro. Now plug in the power cord and turn it on. The only thing left to do is to thread the remote through the back of the chair. This completes the MC-1000 assembly. Feel free to watch this video as many times as you need. If you need any help with your chair, give our customer service team a call at 1-888-264-1766.